Hello viewers, thank you for joining us. So thank you so much for joining us. This is plantain. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of our Nigeria food stuff we have here, so that you can contact us and order for your Nigeria food. So this is plantain. If you want plantain, we will prepare it. We will make it into powder. Okay, watch how I prepare my own is on my YouTube channel. So this is plantain. So here we have Nigerian fufu. This is Nigerian fufu. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So here we have tuwo. This is tuwo powder, corn powder. Okay, this is corn. So this is pap, the smooth one, corn powder, the powder one. So you can make it into pap. This one you can make it into like swallow. So this is our millet. This is millet powder, corn dough, the Guinea corn powder. You can make it into pap. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So here we have Scotch bonnet pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. You see, if you have interest, contact our WhatsApp number. This is the powder one. I make it into powder. So here we have our dry ewedu and seal. This is ewedu powder. Ewedu powder. So viewers, we have other seasoning. Nigeria, this is other seasoning you can put inside your food. Okay, if you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. This is seasoning. This is gari. So this is gari jebu. Gari jebu. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So here we have locust beans. This is locust beans, iruworo, irupete. This is the soft one, the hard one, locust beans. If you have interest, contact our WhatsApp number. So here we have Scotch bonnet pepper powder. This is hot pepper, the hot one. You can use this to prepare pepper soup. This is Scotch bonnet pepper, like this. I make it into powder. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper. So the powder one. So here we have snail. So this is snail forger. So it's one of our viewers who order for it. So the woman really have patience for this snail. So if you want to order for snail, you have to be patient, because we too, we need to look for the snail. So thank you. And if you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So here we have this is dry okra. Okay, if you have interest, contact our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching. This is our Nigeria food stuff. Ewedu, locust beans, amala. If you need amala, confirm amala, contact our WhatsApp number. And we have, if you need a dry panla fish, we have it. Okay, thank you. So if you need ogiri, we have ogiri. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. Share this video. So thank you. Bye. Evelyn. Hey. Bye bye. Ọmọ ṣe yọ ẹrin jì ní ọkùnrin tó wà lẹ́nu. Gèlè rẹ̀ yìí. Àǹtí wa ọmọ mi ti polówó ọjà ẹ wá bá wa rajà o, ẹ bá wa ra plantain o, ẹ ra fùfú, ewédú, ìgbín, atarodo. Ọmọ mi ti polówó ọjà kẹ wá rajà báyìí o. Nigeria fùfú, gàrí Ìjẹ̀bú, irú woro, irú pẹ̀tẹ̀, ilá, dry okra. Yeah, but take.